Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to install the Watkins Freshwater III Ozonator on a hot spring, Tiger River, and Limelight spa. It is highly recommended to replace the injector, tubing, and check valve when replacing the Ozonator. The Freshwater III comes with all of these parts. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, pliers, needle nose vice grips, 2 hose pinching pliers, 2 wine corks, and silicone grease. Parts you will need: Freshwater III Corona Discharge Ozonator. Step 1. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 2. Remove the equipment door and control box lid. Step 3. Disconnect the black, white, and green wires from the ozone terminals on the motherboard. Step 4. Squeeze the strain relief bushing with your needle nose vice grips and pull the ozone cord through the bottom of the control box. Step 5. Place your hose pinching pliers on each side of the black ozone injector. Pinch the tubing as tightly as you can. Step 6. Loosen and remove the 2 spring clamps from each end of the black ozone injector. Step 7. Disconnect the tubing from each end of the injector and quickly insert the 2 wine corks. Step 8. Remove the old Ozonator from the spa. Do not splash water on your control box. If you do, it could fry your circuit board. Notice how the old Ozonator was filled with water. This happens when the check valve fails. It is highly recommended to replace the 1/4-inch ozone check valve every 2 years to prevent this from happening. Step 9. Mount the new Freshwater III Ozonator on the inside wall of the equipment compartment. Step 10. Install the strain relief bushing on the Ozonator cord. Squeeze the strain relief with your vice grips and route the cord through the bottom of the control box. Step 11. Plug the black and white Ozonator wires into the ozone terminals on the motherboard. The new Freshwater III does not have a green ground wire. Step 12. Loop the 1/4-inch ozone tubing around a pipe up high in the equipment compartment. You may need to widen the tubing with a screwdriver or soften it with a heat gun to get it to fit over the barbed nipple. Step 13. Connect the ozone output tubing to the barbed nipple on the Freshwater III. Step 14. Install the injector with the flow arrow going in the direction of the water flow. Cover the barbed nipples with silicone grease for ease of installation. Step 15. Remove the wine corks. Quickly connect the tubing to the injector and install the spring clamps. Step 16. Remove the hose pinching pliers. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.